Eh. Ah!
Nag-relax mode.
Anak ng teteng. Oh, kayo na nga lang.
Nag-relax mode. Tagal naman oh.
Luneta yan. Pasyal lang po. Ay, Diyos ka po, nakakainip din maghintay ng magkikiker. Ay, Diyos ka. Yung mga nagwe-wake skate, hindi man lang nagtitable top ano.
Ang haba niyan pare ko, wala naman nanonood niyan.
Bakit?
Yung main event inasuli mo.
Ala, yaka mo siya. Yung siya na yun eh, siya na yun.
Ano ba yun?
Oo, yun na yun. Huwag lang magduduwagin eh, dikat. Ito na, putek.
Ang bagay yung sapat.
Ano ka? Luneta lang! Diyos ko po, naiinip na ang mga fans. Ay, ang mga photographer, ay nagugutom din ang mga photographer.
Sorry, but I'm not a fan of him.
Gaga.
Roldan.
Tol, your lips are so red dito.
Kanino?
Kay Sir Wayne.
Roldan, watch this video. Alright? I am not a fan of yours. And you know it, man. Just wait for my board, okay? Watch and learn.
Sabi mo, I'm Sherwin Amatos. Uy, boy, dali! Sabi mo.
I'm Sherwin Amatos. I'm a wakeboarder.
And that's it.
And that's it. And that's it.
Nasa na? Sino kayon? Hindi, yun yung sunod. Sino yun eh, di ba?
Hindi pa siya yun.
Sino yan?
Pag-iba talaga ang kinukuhaan ko.
Ano ba yan?
Sino na?
Siya na. Ay, parang siya na yan.
Ayun, nag-hillside. Ay, puta! Ano ka? Ala na ba?
Ano ba?
Putik!
Inuuna mo kasi ang takot.
Tal, come on!
Hoy! Nakahanda na ang video mo eh. Promise, ang hirap pag malabo ang isang mata.
Weh. May reason.
Reasons.
You better watch this, ano.
Watch this video, man.
Why?
There's something there that, you know.
Really have to.
My home is here saying something.
There's something there that you should watch, man.
What?
You know, just find it out, all right?
Just find out for yourself, man.
Ang hirap kaya pag malabo ang isang mata.
Reasons. We really don't need reasons, man.
King you try.
In fairness to you, Roldan, I've seen the way you switch your bud, all right? That was really cool, man. That was really cool.
You know what you should say? You adore my corners. Man, those are awesome.
Wow, you're so kunyoric.
You wanna say it? Did you adore my corners?
I'm sorry?
You wanna say it?
No.
Come on. You do adore my corners.
Why should I? I have my own style, man. Alright.
Mine is not style. It's called flair.
You know what, dude? What I like, I mean, what the best thing that you did tonight was the one you know, you fly. when you actually
And then you,
Yeah.
all that.
Wind beneath my wings.
Yeah.
you know what?
When you open your arms like this, all right? And then,
So now
and then
I go.
you say something like, you said something like,
Doon, sulweta mo ako.
that was like, you know,
Hindi nakalis sa table.
I'm hungry.